Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will talk about India's best Olympiad, that is Indian Talent Olympiad. Last week, I had already uploaded some videos related to this topic. You can watch those videos by clicking on I button or through the link which is given in the description area. Now, in this video, I will only focus about the workbooks and study materials required to get good rank in the Indian Talent Olympiad. Study material and workbooks offers immense benefit to students as it covers school syllabus. This is student friendly and includes variety of questions. Olympiad books section has following category: Olympiad workbook, Olympiad sample paper, Olympiad combo paper, online Olympiad test series, and Olympiad app. Students can select subject as per their individual interest. Olympiad books are available in the following category: Mathematics, International Maths Olympiad, that is IMO, English International Olympiad, that is EIO, Science, International Science Olympiad, that is ISO, Computers, International Computer Olympiad, that is ICO, Drawing, International Drawing Olympiad, that is IDO, Essay, National Essay Olympiad, that is NEO, Logical Reasoning Olympiad. Study material by Indian Talent Olympiad are designed keeping in mind requirements of the child. The content is carefully crafted as per child psychology. The book is well organized into chapters, multiple choice questions, that is MCQ, and answers to questions. All questions emphasize on the reason behind the right answer. Thus, it becomes easy for students to comprehend the right choice and understand the difference between right and wrong. Olympiad books can be bought online from the website of Indian Talent Olympiad for class 1st to class 10th. All books are written in simple English language, thus making it student friendly. Students who practice questions from Olympiad workbooks, Olympiad sample papers, and Olympiad combo papers master basic concept from an early age. It becomes easy for them to attempt a school exam. The syllabus of this exam is the same as prescribed by the school. Thus, Olympiad exams act as additional practice. They can observe different types of questions asked in the workbook, follow different principles and apply the same while solving their school exam. Majority of Olympiad exams include logical reasoning as an integral part of exam. Schools may or may not focus on logical reasoning as a different subject. However, parents today have understood the importance of activating their child's brain from an early age. This is best possible when they are exposed to different logical questions. Such questions increase students' involvement. It enables to enhance their thinking capacity, elevate creative skills, and arrive at the right answer. Olympiad workbooks provide in-depth knowledge on questions that may not be covered in schools. This does not mean students are introduced to a new topic together. Instead, it signifies that students are allowed to dive deep into topics taught in the class. Thus, Olympiad books increases knowledge in the best possible manner. You might be thinking that which book are best for Olympiad preparation. The answer is Indian Talent Olympiad offers best books for Olympiad preparation. These books are designed by a team of experts and professionals in different domains who understand what is required for students to study in today's time. The organization also provides previous year questions paper sets. These sets provide a basic idea about the type of questions asked in the final exams. Thus, workbooks and paper sets prove very useful for all those participating in Olympiads. It covers entire school syllabus in detail. It ensures students are well versed with tricky questions. These books also help them to study for their school exams. Thus, Indian Talent Olympiad ensures to provide the best study material to all the participants. Now you might be thinking that how do I get Olympiad books? The answer is you can order Olympiad books from the official website of Indian Talent Olympiad. Class-wise books are available for all the students, namely International Maths Olympiad, International Science Olympiad, English International Olympiad, General Knowledge International Olympiad, International Computer Olympiad, International Drawing Olympiad, International Essay Olympiad, and National Social Studies Olympiad. Students simply have select the class they study in to order Olympiad books. The organization also offers previous year question paper for this subject. All study materials provided by the Indian Talent Olympiad is available at affordable rates. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.